Hello, my name is Roy Briebois, and I have a background in development and environmental sciences. And I was a part of the data science cohort by Digital Africa with Blossom Academy. And it's been a fun experience so far.
My name is Abigail Yachiwa Sapon. I have a background in biochemistry. I'm currently a customer service agent.
My name is Inobwati. I have a background in human resource management and data analysis. I've been working with Major for over a year now as a content analyst.
My passion for data science actually began from primary school. Primary school, I was actually known as a mathematics student. So through SHS, through university, but the real data science started when I had to work with a boss who actually dealt with data. Yes, so he introduced me to this data, how to analyze data. And looking at it, it was so amazing because we really had informations from the data we were able to gather.
My experience with the instructors in this cohort has been really good. They have given me deep insights into data science and the different fields I can use this knowledge for.
On this journey of becoming a data scientist, my instructors and my colleagues have been a very great help because personally I tried learning data science online and I could take a whole day to understand just a video. But then when I came to Blossom Academy, these tutors, these instructors of mine actually made everything understandable within just a few minutes. And my colleagues too have been very helpful because you wouldn't understand all. You go to a fellow colleague will just break it down for you to understand.
From the beginning, the support from the instructors has been hands-on, and then they've treated each other as if we don't have any background in data analysis, and it has been an encouraging one. My colleagues, that is the participants, has been also open and willing to help in times of need. If there's nothing, or if there is a particular part of what is being taught that I don't understand, when I reach out to them, they are willing and ready to help.
Well, when I first came here, the reception was really warm. That was the thing I remember most. I really liked the way I was welcomed, and it felt like a very collaborative environment.
One memorable experience I had with my friends was during the presentation. We came together, brought our ideas together, and were able to make the presentation a success. Another one was when we had to actually work as a team to present a work. So one thing I realized is that I didn't know it all, and I can't proverb that says that which means that no one knows it all. So we coming together, we were able to pinpoint the errors we had in our works. We brought ideas together and were able to come up with a very good work.
There are several memorable moments that I can share with my colleagues, but I think there is one particular time that we had a project that we were supposed to do together, and then the collaboration, the effort each and every one in my group gave in, it was like equally and evenly shared. And then I think in preparation to present our project work, I think we had some good time. We did an online meeting, and then our submission was a great and a lovely one.
So throughout the time I've been here, I've been able to come up with a carbon calculator that I'm using to calculate carbon sequestration by trees, which is something I'm into because I'm into the environment as a person with a background in development and environmental sciences.
In the agricultural sector, I would use data science to predict the weather, that is weather forecasting, and then also fertilizer recommendation, and then also disease control. Yes, and when it comes to the food, after we've harvested the food, we will use data science to minimize waste. That is, we'll know what the customers actually want, and then what to produce, and then where to send it to, and then how to keep, how to store, how to sell. Data science will help me in all these things.
So currently, I'm trying to use what we have studied in machine learning in one of my projects at work, in terms of analyzing data we have in sales to determine the particular product we need to focus on.
I'd like to give a big thank you to Digital Africa for giving me this opportunity. I'd like to thank Blossom Academy. Shout out to Precious. He's a really good instructor.